Hello there, 10th episode of Business with Tanmay, and today's topic is the multi-figure solopreneur world. So let's get started. How much you can earn as an independent beauty or fitness professional? People feel like there is an income ceiling when it comes to these careers. However, the truth is that when you are great at what you do as a solo business owner, there is literally no limit to your earning potential. Today, I want to talk you through what certain solo businesses owners can expect with their earnings on average and how they can level up to get into that six figures. So let's take beauty as an example. There are independent beauty professionals making $1 million per year. At that income level, it's not just a question of the number of customers. Professional at this level may be working with celebrities, big events, and major productions. Coming back to the average you can make if you are just getting started and haven't taken it to the next level yet. For people working full-time as independent beauty professionals, we are seeing annual earnings of rupees 20k at the low and 50 to 70k at the higher end. Part of this depends on your specialty. So let's do a quick math that how you earn 20k a month as an average beauty professional. Let's say you are a makeup artist professional, so you charge 2 to 5k per customers and 6 to 7 clients a month helps you earn 20k a month. So you can level up in a couple of ways. People who are earning in six figures, they work with skin, removing impurities, hair, oil, hydrating and moisturizing and all and all. So what I mean is add more services and sell related product as well. Your old clients would easily buy from you if you offer a quality product which they are looking for. As you know your customers, you know what they need. So how to level up as a fitness professional? Fitness, health and wellness is such a large category encompassing everything from yoga, pilates and personal trainers to pain management specialists and chiropractors. Fitness, therefore, the range of earning is similarly wide. So fitness trainers in India earn in between 15k to 40k a month depending upon the city and how expert they are. So what helps them to level up is the opportunity to do group classes, online or offline, depending on what's your training. The average class is 1 hour in length and you might be doing around 5 hours of classes per day. Decide how much you want to charge according to your level of expertise and again sell them products. They will likely to buy from you and you can earn up to 50% margin from fitness products. That's it. Thank you.